Hey guys, welcome to EduTech Roy. This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and today is Rare Soil War, and I'm about to enter in preparation stage. So we'll go to the Rare Soil War from season 2 option, and you can see uh, Rare Soil War round 1 is about to start, and right now invitation stage is going on, and after that we'll enter preparation stage, and then after half an hour we'll enter to battle stage where we'll be defending because right now we are on defending side. So we're gonna defend our furnaces and these rare soils which can be looted like 112.1k. Okay, so you can see the details from here, like who is your opponent, and like 780 NCR is our opponent. They're gonna invade our alliance furnace. Here you can see allowing up to 3 alliances to declare war at once. If attackers win, rare soil is distributed based on the percentage of durability each alliance reduces on the opponent furnace. So we are about to enter preparation stage. So I'm gonna show you sites of our server. You can see we have uh, played some new trick or maybe some existing one, but we have placed all furnaces of like there are 3 3 6 9 11 12 furnaces in a side, and you can see we have occupied the land nearby as much as we can. The red ones are enemy which gonna invade our alliance furnaces, but they are in low numbers and they need to be like attacked from far uh, distance. Okay, so that's the idea about this new strategy. And right now I think we're gonna enter to preparation stage. So let's see after 27 seconds what we need to do. And right now you can see there's a blizzard going on and all the furnaces are placed in a corner, so that's why everyone is like in frozen state right now, which are far from the furnaces. Those which are around furnaces are like warmed up, but we are far from our furnaces, so that's why our bases are frozen right now. So this is the preparation stage. Now we entered and after I guess half an hour the enemy will start attacking our alliance furnace and bases. So I guess we're gonna garrison it right now. So I will record next battle stage and add here. Till then keep watching the video. So guys, battle stage is now 30 seconds away and you can see the rewards, like we're getting good rewards. So we're gonna get this if we get some kills, or while defending we got units killed, and this is after we successfully defend, then we can claim it. So it's now on, and let's see uh, what happens. So as you can see, it started like enemy is now attacking furnaces, but they are very low in numbers. And about our furnace, I guess our uh, soil war opponents are not available here, or maybe they are not here because I searched for them but they don't seem here. So I guess our one is safe right now, but maybe they can come after some time. So we need to be careful. uh, you can see others getting attacked, not us, but you can see the attacks have started, like alliance furnaces which are high in ranks, and our is not that much high in rankings, that why. And as you can see, a warlord, some opponent's warlord is also bombing using the skill from here, like official skill for warlord, like warlord missile, which has skill preparation duration 180 seconds, skill cooldown 72 hours, explosion radius is 25 damage, alliance furnace durability is 30,000. So let's see, they refilled, I think they repelled the missile, and here you can see someone attacking this furnace with a warlord missile. But I guess our one is very safe right now. No one is attacking or doing anything. So I'm gonna. Okay, I'm just telling them. So you can see our server mates defending their own alliance furnaces from the attacks. Oh, there's lots of waves right now. You can see it's getting uh, attacks, and they are ending very good. And because of the strategy to place it in corner makes the enemy more struggle to attack from far distance, and they don't have much places to attack close combat. So till then, like our alliance servers can garrison in few seconds and defend the alliance furnace. You can see they getting attacked, and some low level alliance not getting that much attacks. So let's see our opponent, what are they doing, or are they even attacking or not. We are on defending side, so you can see 7 80 and CR nutcrackers. Maybe they don't participating in this event, because as I can see there is no one attacking our bases or our like alliance furnace. And as you can see, you can attack as well as your opponent's base, as I'm seeing. Okay, so you can see the positions in here, like we have occupied most of the closest land to the alliance furnaces, and very few opponents have appeared in here compared to ours. Okay, so you can see lots of big whales from our server, also getting some attacks. I don't know how we can attack any other opponents. No, we can only attack our own opponents from the rare soil draft. Okay, so I guess we are very safe, because we can't get attacked by our enemies or not alliance furnace. And you can see, we can defend till 34 more minutes, and we can save the rare soil for us and get those winning rewards easily. Okay, so I'm gonna skip some moments from here, because there is no reaction to our furnace. There is no attack, there is no enemy detected, so I guess we are good. But for you I will record some more moments like this, but the video will be very long, so I'm gonna skip some moments, so stay tuned. So guys, someone is about to bomb on us. Like we got a notification from here, and you can see we got notification like the will launch a warlord missile, and right now Rookie successfully intercept the warlord missile launched by 780. Our server mates have intercepted that warlord, and let's go see that it's in ruins now, and I also sent my one like squad, but already done by someone, and we have saved our alliance furnace with the help of our server mate. So guys, finally our opponents have arrived and they are attacking. Like there are a few from NCR 780, our opponents. You can see there is only one right here, as I can see, and we can also like go and attack this. Maybe not. It's saying something like you can't attack the commander's bases. Sorry, wait a minute. Commander bases attacks are only allowed on war days, so we are defending, that's why we can't attack the bases of the opponent. But when you are on attacking side, then you can attack the basis of opponents. So right now we can't do anything, but only defend Lion's furnace. So that's only 24 HQ guys, so we will easily defend it. So let's see in battle if he attacked or not. Right now he's in sorry, motion. So you can see or graphic are getting disturbed here. There is some issue definitely on the server because of the rare soil war, I guess. There is lots of glitches and graphic issues I'm facing right here. Maybe some bugs, but this our campaign is going very good because we have only one enemy to tackle. So guys, few more enemies have arrived and we are like battling uh, right now, and we are like sending garrison after garrison, and maybe we will defend. Like where is reports, events, battle. So we are like doing good. Not much players are available right now, only 9 available, but we are doing very good so far. So let's see how much soil we can save. Let's go to the defender section and let's see any details going here about 23 more minutes we need to keep the alliance furnace safe, and we need to garrison likely more and more because people are now joining. The red ones are our opponents, as you can see. uh, Dark red ones, like there are only two right now in clothes, rest are maybe here one, three, there are three only, maybe more than three, but right now we can see only three here. So we're gonna defend these alliance furnaces as far we can. So guys, we are about to have our event over. It's only 1 minute left, and I also don't have much units right now. uh, as you can see, there are less units right now. I have used heal ups and we are almost defended. So let's see how much score we can get in the last few seconds. So as you can see, our opponent has managed to get 80,000 contribution ranking, and we have done also great, and it's over. And as you can see, we got the win here, and they are losers. And you can see there, this player has got lots of points from there, and it we got some well played message here. uh, if we go to the season 2 rare soil war, we gonna get the winning rewards from here. And also we got points from like getting unit loss. So we got all the rewards from here, and it was a nice game. So let me congratulate everyone, and we did good. And I guess our server also did good job. As you can see, uh, everyone has managed to save their furnaces, and it's deal done now. We did good, and you can see everyone is celebrating. And that was a nice strategy to place the furnaces in corner and defend it with occupying all the nearby land. So that's it for today, guys. We were on defending side, and next one will be our attacking video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates.